Now the first alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Joe Winters.
When it warms up, it doesn't take long for those spring flowers to pop out of the ground. Take a look at these beautiful flowers on the southwest side of Cedar Rapids. Saw a lot more color starting to pop up here and there. Unfortunately, as we head through the next several days, we're going to get cool. And in fact, by Friday morning, may have to think about covering some of the plants. Yeah, we'll show you that coming up in the extended forecast. Take a look at our Iowa City CityCam, one of the areas that saw the sunshine through the day, and as a result, very mild conditions. The last day that we are going to see those above normal conditions through the afternoon. Many of our spotters reporting warm conditions, including Josh Klein and Solon at 79 degrees, Wendell Nicely in Kelowna at 78, Jim Ratora and Victor came in with a high of 74 degrees. For this early part of May, we should be in the mid to upper 60s. Right now we take a look at pinpoint Doppler radar in eastern Iowa, basically quiet. The last half hour or so, we've seen some light precipitation starting to break out back toward Grundy County, Butler County as well. But really the precipitation is off toward the west and includes Storm Lake all the way down toward West Point, Carroll, Algona, and Spencer. As we watch that activity move, it's moving off toward the northeast and slowly to the east. This is a very slow moving storm system, so Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, we're probably not going to see much in the way of rainfall until the early morning hours, maybe 4, 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Sooner, certainly in Waterloo and Decorah. Dubuque probably also not until the early morning hours. But once it moves in, as you see, it just kind of sticks around and sits on top of us, and it extends with moisture all the way back through the plain states. Plenty in the way of cold air moving in behind this system as well, and as a result, we have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories to talk about. Now, winter storm warnings are not in Iowa. They do extend through the Twin Cities back across northern areas of Wisconsin. 6 to 9 inches of snow as we move through Thursday is a possibility with this storm. Then the winter weather advisories get as close at Floyd and Howard County in our viewing area, all the way back across areas of the plains, as we can see, for some rain-snow mix or some sleet. Area of low pressure, slow moving. Watch this. Tonight at midnight, that's where it's located, right near Kansas City. As we move through the next 24 hours, and then we head into Friday, look at that, not moving a whole lot, and it just sits and spins moisture around. So just taking a while to get here, and it'll take a while to leave. Here's a look at Pinpoint Futurecast. Again, as we said, not a lot of rain overnight, except Waterloo, Decorah, Charles City. It starts to move in, then through the morning hours, the rain develops and pushes in, and there you see some of the rain-snow mix back off to the west. How much rain into Friday? Into Friday, and there's more to come, probably about 1 inch to a ½ inch in most locations. Here's a look at our forecast for tonight. Down to about 41 in Cedar Rapids. Showers develop late, north winds at 15 to 25. Highs tomorrow back in the middle 40s. Rain and snow north, rain south. North winds at 15 to 25. Our extended forecast keeps rain and 50s in the forecast through the weekend. It does look like a break Monday with some partly cloudy skies, and by next Wednesday, we may again see 70 degrees. Seems a little far off right now, but we'll trudge through.
Like forever.
When you look at that, it really does.
Thank you, Joe.